We're asked to put this in vertex form. Oh wait, sorry, general form. So we're supposed to just create the equation of this quadratic. So the big things you want to pick up on are the fact that it crosses at -4. That means our function needs to have x plus 4 as one of the factors. Because if you plug in -4, -4 plus 4 makes 0. So that would get us to y equals 0, which is where this point is, right? It's at -4 comma 0. And then the other point is supposed to be at -1 for another 0, so we should be able to plug in a -1 and get 0. That's why we need x plus 1, because -1 plus 1 would make 0. And they've got to multiply to each other so that we don't mess up the zeros that they're supposed to be creating. And then the last piece we want to do is we want to make sure, the vertex doesn't quite have it here. Oh, so we got a y-intercept over here. So that y-intercept is -8. So we can't mess up what's inside these parentheses. Those have to still make 0 happen. What we can do is we can multiply numbers to the outside. So we can multiply an a, some number a. Actually, a might be confused. Let's see. That would still turn out to be. Let's call it a k. I'm not sure what Newton uses, but so there's some number k that we're going to multiply to the outside to make sure that we cross down here at -8. And so to make that happen, let's plug in this point. This is at 0 on the x, -8 on the y. So I can plug in -8 in for y. We don't know what that k is yet. We're about to solve it. We can plug in 0 in for x. So if we simplify, 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 1 is 1. So we've got -8 equals k times 4. So divide 4 from both sides and we get k equals -2. So now we're ready to finally write out the function, then we just need to expand it to put it in general form. We found out the k, the thing that multiplies the outside, has to be -2. That way we cross down here at 0 comma -8. Then we get x plus 4. Then we get x plus 1. And so to put it in general form, all you have to do is multiply these two parentheses. So you should get x squared plus 5x plus 4 when you do that, because x times x makes x squared, x times 1 makes x, 4 times x makes 4x, so those add up to make 5x, then 4 times 1 makes 4, and then we got to distribute that -2 to everything. So -2x squared minus 10x minus 8 is the complete equation in general form.